Welcome back, everybody. I am GMA Crusher, and you're back. You're back for another unboxing, I should say. And the reason that the unboxing, my box is right here. You can tell. I'm just gonna flash it. Haha. Um, and the reason that I choose this one, this cooler. I guess I should say the name, huh? Well, it is Noctua. Let's see if I can fit it in there. Noctua NHD15. Premium cooler from Austria. I think it's from Austria. Don't remember. But anyways, when I was researching this CPU cooler heatsink thing, I was trying to get as much performance for for my money, and I didn't want to do water cooling because water cooling, even if it's closed professional loops, it really scares me. So I was like, all right, well, let's go for the best air cooling capability, and then I came up with the NHD 14, which is the generation before this one, and it has immense reviews. And then I saw the reviews for this one, and I guess this one is like the upgrade from the 14. So I was like, sweet. And then I saw the benchmark test between a water cooler, how cool the temperatures get, and this one. And this one matches or beats the water cooler, and it just blows my mind. It's just like, how in the world is that even possible? So again, I chose. We're doing an unboxing of a Noctua NHD15 premium cooler. All right, and I guess I'll just go through the boxes and show you every single side. So as you guys have seen, that's the front side, and hopefully I can show you guys pretty well. And then we have some writing. I haven't read that yet. Some writing there. It's probably some specifications. It looks like it's in Ukraine. And what? I guess that has it in UK language. Okay, that is just English. And you have Germany, France, Spanish, Italiano. We got Portuguese, Ukraine, I think. Russia. It's probably Russia. I don't know my flags. Oh well. Japanese, Chinese, and that's it. And then it has like awards of what the things includes on the back, what's the specs and all that jazz. Let's see what else we have. And then we have some even more specs on the side here. If I can get it correctly, it's not gonna be the best, but you guys can pause and probably zoom. I can go further. Then obviously the bottom there's nothing, but just wanted to show you the every single box side so you guys know what's up. All right, so we'll read the front just to see it's the overview of the box and everything. So as you can tell already, what I was saying is that it has the I guess it is based on the award-winning NHD14 that the previous generation that I was talking to you about. So it says that this is a six heat pipe dual tower design. This is a huge beast, huge. It's crazy. I don't. It might look like an eyesore. Oh well, but it's gonna get the job done. My computer's not much about looks. I guess it's just more about performance. Even though I did go with a black blue build, so we'll see how that turns out. Because the fans are brown, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Bullet number two says widen fins stack and expanded pipe layout. So I don't really know what that means. Probably the way that the heat pipes and the radiation and the fins are, and it probably dissipates heat better. It says high RAM compatibility in single fan mode. So I haven't done the unboxing of my rip jaws yet. I shouldn't have said that. I haven't done the unboxing to my RAM yet. But when I do, it sits a little higher, so I might have to adjust the fan when I install this one. This CPU cooler. Then it says it has dual NFA 15 fans, 140 millimeter fans, and yeah, that's the NFA 15. That's probably their own main brand fans, and it's supposed to be very low, like low noise fans too. So that's a plus in my book because I'm trying to build as low noise as possible computer. It says it has excellent component cooling. It has some Secufirm 2 trademark thing mounting system, the mounting systems that I've seen online on YouTube. Obviously, we're on YouTube right now. uh, they make it look so easy. It is so easy. All right, so we have compatibility with past and future sockets. So we have 11 LGA 1150 socket, and this thing fits more than just 1150 socket. So this is a good news. I guess we'll go on the back. We'll go to the back side. Since it's based on the award-winning NHD 14, I guess that one had over 350 awards. So that's freaking incredible. Excellent component for cooling. It has specific graphic for that. It says dual six pipe dual tower supply. So you'll see that. I'll show you guys when I take it out. And it's pretty much everything that I just said, but it's just showing pictures for it and a little more in depth about things. So it has a 6-year warranty, which is holy crap. Most of my parts that I've gotten, I've tried to get more than 5 years, and so far it has been 7 years. I think it's seven. What? Yeah, 7 years for my power supply, six for this one. So if it dies by the time I need to do a computer upgrade, well, I'm ready. So specifications, the height is 165 millimeters, so it's pretty tall. So I hope I probably really rookie move of me. I have a big case, so I'm pretty sure it will fit in it, but I didn't measure it. 150 millimeters of width and 161 millimeters depth. Okay, it weighs 1 gram. That's not right. This thing, well, I guess this is in a box. This thing is pretty heavy. This thing should say how much it weighs, right? It does not. Oh well, whatever. It's not. I guess it's not consumer product. Not consumer. It's not something that we will eat. So it doesn't have the weight on it. And it's on the side. Okay, so it has a material copper and aluminum nickel plated. Okay, and it says the compatibility with the sockets is Intel LGA 2011. Okay, and then it has LGA 11.5X, which means any with the 11.5 is 1 by 0, all the above, or I guess 5.6, 5.5, 5.0, I guess I should say. And then AMD sockets, which is pretty nice that this thing has a compatibility tray that you can put on top of it. So it's compatible with AMD 2, AMD 2 Plus, AMD 3, AMD 3 Plus, F1, F1, no, FM1, FM2, FM2 Plus, and there's a backplate. Well, I think all like coolers have require a backplate, but nobody says that. Oh, I guess maybe not the stock cooler, because I guess for Intel you just press the pins in and that's it. Then we have the fan size, the NFA 15 power fan specifications. Its size is 140 by 150 by 25 millimeters. All right. We have bearings SSO2, which I don't really know what that means. We have a 4-pin power connector, which is pretty standard for for a heat sink power, heat sink. What do you call it? Cooler. So yeah. And then the max rotational speed for the fan is 1500 RPMs, give or take 10%. That's what it says. Then what? This is max rotational speed with LNA, which I don't understand what that one is actually. I need to figure out what that specification is. But that one is, I guess, low noise maybe? I don't know. So that's 1200 RPM, and the maximum airflow is 140.2 cubic meters per height. I did not know that's how they measure there. As you can tell, I've been off of the market for a while for schooling, especially in the science department. And I apologize for that. No, don't need to apologize, especially since it's my fault for not knowing what I'm reading right now. All I know is it's a badass cooler, and we'll get to it in a second. Acoustic noise, we have 24.6 decibels at maximum. And then we have a maximum acoustical noise. So I'm guessing this is the lowest. The LNA is probably the lowest. 19.2 decibels. That is fucking quiet. And then we have a max wattage input of 1.56 watts. So this is gonna be very freaking tight. All right, well, why wait any longer? Let's get into this, and I'll show you the parts. And obviously, I haven't seen it yet, so everything is gonna be new for me. I might have a pause when I'm doing this, and I will show you, and I'll do this the parts by parts. But all right, let's get into this Massive heatsink. You guys will see this is massive. I wish I had a comparison. Maybe I could get, yeah, go get my stock cooler. Now those things are always really small, anyways. All right, getting in this. Always first thing. Like, look how neat that those little boxes are in there. Freaking amazing. All right, so first thing, this is the Intel brackets. It's in a little box here. Uh, yeah, so it's in a little box, and I'll open it in a second. But it's a Secufirm trademark mounting system, Noctua. Let's see, how am I focused? There you go. And there's a bracket for it. And I'll get into it, but it's gonna pretty much be that. But I'll show you. I'll show you. Well, that's not how it opens. No, it is how it opens. Jerks. So it comes up with some congratulations, and looks like they're all guides for different sockets for the different sockets for the Intel part. And it says, "Dear customers, congratulations for choosing Noctua." I always like feeling, congratulated for a really good decision. Yeah, hopefully they don't fall. But there's the mounting brackets and accessories, and I guess I can get into that even more. Yeah, actually, they have screws in the back. See, screw. Uh, pop it out. Let's just pop it out. I might use this later when I put it together. So then we have the screws, the mounting screws, and you zoom in. When you focus. Oh gosh, not gonna focus. Anyways, the screws, and there's a back plate, which is pretty nice back plate actually. It looks very sturdy. So that's it for that part. It's not too entertaining. Oops, I guess I have to line it up if I put it back. Hey, did it on my first try. Sweet. Alright, put this back into the hole. And put the guides. I'm gonna probably be looking at these when I'm building it. Later on Twitch, advertisement, GMA Crusher, follow me on Twitch. Oh, that is funny. I guess these are not by any means professional videos, obviously. They're just, I guess, for me, for my own doing, seeing if I like to do this. I have noticed that they have become very time consuming rather than just pressing the live button and streaming. So then we have whoa, what the heck? This is the AMD side. We have the AMD brackets. Look at this. It has like 3 different parts to it. Very freaking. This feels empty and light. This is crazy. All right, so let's see what it has. It has exactly that. So it has the AMD, manual how to install it. And I told you it had 3 parts. So it's part number one, or is it bracket number one, bracket number two, the exact same thing, and some screws and accessories. And I guess I'll show you everything inside the box. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right. Well, that wasn't as fun. I think after this, I'm gonna have to do an AMD build, a PC. I know somebody's gonna want me to build computers for them after I build mine. So then we have an accessories box. There we go. And this has their own little screwdriver to little screw adapter so you can screw in the heatsink. We have a thermal compound, which is kind of cool, but I already bought one, and I'll be doing an unboxing for that one probably next. And we have what is this? Looks like a fan installation bracket, and then we have a Y power splitter and a regular extension power splitter. This is low noise power splitter. Okay, so let's get into that and see what the parts are. And these are really high quality freaking boxes. I'm having a hard time just getting in them, and they come in a little baggy. Well then, it makes it alive a little easier for me. Let's start out with the main the main screwdriver to bolt this beast down. So look at that. There's that Phillips, long Phillips. Come on, focus. If we get closer, doesn't work because it's focusing on my face. So it's just a screwdriver, not it's a long one, obviously, because this thing is huge. And then everything comes in a little baggie here. So it looks like there's some. Like I was saying, there's some Noctua stickers. We have the Y power splitter, a noise one, and we have the what do you call this thermal compound for the CPU, and a low noise power adapter and a Y adapter. You might be able to see that. I'll turn it around. Well, I guess I'll just open it. Why wait? I'll just open it. Probably gonna be the longest video I've ever made. Oh, wow! I did not expect it to open like this. Look at that, freaking fancy. All right, let's start with the really good part here, but I'm not gonna use it. The thermal compound is their version. I don't know if it's good. It's just they can call it premium. It's their own brand. I wouldn't know. Then we have a power adapter. This is the low noise power adapter. Just regular 4 pins. And we have these are very nice freaking fan brackets here, fan mounting brackets thing. So they don't feel that cheap. They feel really high quality. So just two of them. Let's go with the Y adapter, the Y cable. If you want to power both fans, I think. I actually don't know exactly how I'm going to be using these. I think this is optional. Or maybe not, because we can choose one or the other, which is kind of weird. We have another low noise, I think. Yeah, we have another low noise adapter. So I don't know if that goes attached to that, and then you just you have more wiring. But then I do like the fact that it looks like it have a high quality there, like encasing. So I like everybody likes high quality stuff. Oh wait, and the most important part, I almost forgot. We have a little badge so you can put it outside in the case. A little Noctua badge. Let's see if we can get closer. I want it to focus. There you go, Noctua badge. Alright. Put this, yeah, I'll put this on the side here. Don't really need them right now. Obviously, since I'm doing an unboxing. I'll put this on the side. I'll deal with them in a second. After the video cuts, of course. Alright, so we got some good foam. Just to protect if that was on top of that. That was on top of that. So then we have more boxes. Sweet deal here. About to hit the 20 mark. So, alright, so first this is the second NFA 15 power fan. Holy bejesus. Holy bejesus. This thing is huge. This is a huge fan. This is like, this could be used as a case fan. Holy crap. Alright, how do we open this? It's called the second fan, so this is a dual fan configuration here. Holy bejesus. Here we have it. It's bigger than it's like as big as my face. So, get it really close. Nice freaking high quality fans. Actually, I can turn it around better. You'll see the other side with the little little lines there, little grooves on the fans to like help with the airflow. And then we have some rubber grommets here. You can't really tell that they're rubber, but just take my word for it. There for the to like make it low noise and all that jazz. Low bearing, yeah, they're low bearing, like what do they call it? Low noise bearing. What do they call these things? Grommets or things. So yeah, this is fan number 2, I guess. It's just so huge. Yeah, I think this was the 140. I think it's 140. I can't measure it by just looking at it. It's 140. It's been that long since I built a computer that this thing surprised the hell out of me. Freaking nice though, and yes, it had the same nice cable components for that. So we'll close that and put that on the side here. Hopefully nothing goes wrong if I unplug something. And I guess we have the heat sink as the last part. Let me just check before I just present this bastard. So we have more foam, more foam. Well, let's take it all. Let's take it all out because I'm curious. What if they have some secret compartment, secret thing that only people that go through everything? Yeah, there's nothing. It's just more foam. Empty. All right, close that. And I guess I should probably be doing this off camera, but you guys could do everything. I'm planning to upload all this stuff uncut, unfiltered, uncensored. Alright, put this on the side here. I'll deal with that later. So we have here the premium heatsink. The NH D15 Noctua heatsink. Here's the picture on the front, and here's that bottom part that meets with the socket with the CPU. It's just like pretty much the same exact thing, reflective. It's just obviously this thing grabs the heat from the CPU and dissipates the heat away from it, and that way it stays cool and it can run at the highest performance. I'm having trouble here. I can't open it. Come on, I don't want to tear this box, but oh, I got it. I got it. Oh wow, it opens like a door. See? It opens like a door. There's the bat. There's the base. There's the base. There's the base. All right. So, and what do we have in there? It's nothing. It's just part. Can I? Oh, it opens from the top too. Okay. Opens from the side. True unboxings are here. You've seen it only at GMA Crusher's channel. All right. So this thing has a separation between it and I don't even know how to hold this actually, or how am I supposed to hold it? I hope my hands are clean. All right. Yeah, we'll just hold it by the fins actually. We gotta keep this thing intact until I'm ready to install it. So here yeah, I guess it's still attached. So here we have it. I'll leave that cardboard there. It's gonna be a little nasty looking, but looks like that fan should be fine. And that fan should be fine. No, we're taking out the cardboard. Bam. Cardboard out. Cardboard out. Let's put this inside here. Just for a second. Just for a smidge. Alright. So we have you can see hopefully you see the six heat sink, the little pipes. They're awesome. They're gonna be dissipating a lot of heat, and obviously we have that radiator thing, so the middle fin, so this dissipates the heat. We have another fan, which I think is a lot bigger than the one that we had outside that we showed earlier, and we have another fan in there already installed for us, which cuts down on installing costs, and then we have the other side, which is dual, so dual dissipation stuff, and has a nice Noctua design. I guess we can turn it around. Is it backwards? I think it's backwards. Yes, it's backwards. Hope I don't get cut. Things can cut me. It has Noctua printed right there. Let's get closer. You can barely see it. I guess you can see on the other one. But yeah, we have the heat pipes here. Then we have the part that connects to, I forget the name of this part. Super amateur here. That connects to that goes on top of the CPU and grabs the heat and dissipates everything. And as you can tell too, there's the wiring for the fan and obviously a protective case because I don't want to expose that until we're ready to use it. Some high quality springs there for the mount, and yeah, that's the Noctua. This is the beast of a monster. You see how big that is? This is bigger than my face. Again, bigger than my face. So yeah, that was the Noctua. I guess I say unboxing a Noctua NHD15, a beast of a freaking heatsink. So it should keep my system as cool as possible. This is the best, absolute best air cooling heatsink, and I'm very happy to give it a try. Obviously, I've been out of the loop for computers and computer buildings for about 10 years, so anything that I'm doing right now, it's amazing and for fun, obviously. And alrighty, well, if you guys like this video, give it a like. If you guys dislike it, give it a like. And you guys can comment down below, and I'll answer questions. I am still pretty amateur at doing all this stuff, but hey, I love doing this, and it's pretty freaking fun. I wish I started doing it a lot earlier. I probably would be going places fast. Not a big deal. I'm doing this for a hobby, but thank you very much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for another unboxing, and I'll catch you guys on next video. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yeah, good bites. Goodbye.